That's a jackfruit that I got from Florida when I went to the CDC.
Oh, that cloud.
I just skipped the that's basil.
Oh, nice.
So all this little baby basil.
Which one's the basil? This one's the basil?
Yeah. All this. I'm gonna transplant this and put in a pot, and you guys can have them.
Oh, wow, yeah. We want a ton of basil. Smell this.
I'll wait. I'll wait till a little bit bigger. Okay, let's go in the back.
Yeah, you can do that. Eat it. Eat it straight.
Boil it,
What?
soup
The
it.
basil.
You put them in tomato salad. You eat it just like it is. Oh, you didn't see my other watermelons right here.
Oh, you're protecting it? Nice.
Yeah.
Is that what you have to do? Is you
Keeps
protect
Blue
them?
Dog from doing his business on it.
The ones over
Oh,
there. So
they
like
got
this
shade.
one in 25 days, this is like, it gets as big as that.
In 25
Bigger.
days?
Only take 30 days for the watermelon to
Oh, wow.
grow.
30 days, huh?
How you like this monstrosity here? Almost done with it.
Gio, you got go heads up in TRC.
My grapefruit here, we had so many flowers in the spring, but the wind blows all of it away except for one.
Yeah,
Have
one fruit.
Yeah,
Grapes?
grapes right there.
Oh, cool.
And this one right here is Brussels sprouts.
Oh, man.
See all that little Brussels sprouts coming up?
Yeah, Raven loves Brussels sprouts. Apparently, so do all the kids. The
You
kids all
guys-
love Brussels sprouts.
You do?
They're good for
I
you.
like this one too. Look, they're all coming.
Nice.
4 of them are coming. But I think this one was a cauliflower or broccoli. But still
like both.
baby. Yeah. And this is a kumquat. One survived. All the leaves are
What do you do
I
with
mean,
the
the
kumquat?
flowers. You know? This one right here is peanut.
I think the basil is pretty good.
Yeah, you put those with the tomatoes. Tomatoes with balsamic vinegar. Here's my avocado right here.
Yeah, we need to grow an avocado tree.
Yeah, at $1 each, it's going to pay for everything.
This one?
Yep.
So if in the garden somewhere I find the elm tree, I pick it up and put them in a pot and let it grow. And this is some mulberries. I have another one there. And I have orange. Mango orange right here. And
Yeah,
this is bok choy.
Bok choy.
Yeah.
We have a couple plots that we need to grow citrus trees, so if we can take a clone of that big one, that'd be nice. All the tomatoes.
Tomato. This is just one tomato, cherry tomato.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah. I have a pea, snap peas here. And this is the Malabar spinach. The climbing spinach. Instead of those short ones. I have one
The shade
onion.
is amazing right
I
now.
know,
Oh my
right?
god.
I got jalapenos. You
Yeah.
got more sweet potato here.
Are they hot right now?
Yeah.
Yes.
Give one to Joe.
He already had one. It kicked his tail the other day.
He had a red one, right? On the back? The dried ones?
Yeah.
I got zucchini. I got yellow zucchini.
Yeah, okay, tough guy.
And this one
Okay,
is the broccoli.
okay, tough guy. Let's watch you sweat.
I'm already
I got parsley. If you guys want some parsley.
Oh, that's a lot of parsley. Yeah.
You do?
Maybe not this trip, but we will. We will need
More
parsley.
pepper. Tomato. This is
Pretty hot?
These big onions, we need to
Yeah.
get some of those going.
Yeah.
Because we got some baby onions that Gio's growing.
Banana tree.
But
Look
they're
at the
like
banana tree.
small.
Several of them
Oh,
back
what's
there.
that? What's that plant?
Oh, you
Oh,
didn't see that yesterday?
no, I didn't. I thought I recognized that plant. Wow, it's coming along great.